Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning all about data, and in today's class we will learn about data visualization. Before I start, I request you to like this video and follow our channel on YouTube, especially if you're watching it on YouTube. You simply need to click subscribe button. Your likes and subscriptions motivate me to create more videos and courses. Let's begin. When we look at large volume of data, and what I mean by large volume of data is you're looking at millions of rows in multiple tables or even in a text file, it is very hard to understand or interpret because humans are not good at processing and getting the information. However, we are good at learning by seeing, because as we say, a picture tells 1,000 words. Let's take an example. If we are presented with temperatures at different times of the day for a year, for a given city, all we see is numbers. But when we plot the data on a graph, we can easily see the trends, we can see the lowest temperature, maximum temperature, and we can infer a lot of information from that graph. We can write programs to plot the data. However, there are several good softwares or tools are already available in the market, such as Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel also has pretty good data visualization capabilities. Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, all these are good softwares or tools that can plot different type of graphs for different type of data. They can connect different data sources and bring us useful information. Now, data visualization is a graphical representation of information and data. By plotting data from different angles, such as charts, graphs, or maps, it is very easy to get information. When we get that information, it is easy to create a storytelling. We can very comfortably create a story out of it, and we can make actionable action. We can infer actionable information from that data. Now, the data visualization is becoming more and more popular, and a whole role of data analyst is growing in the information technology industry. After you learn programming, this may be one good field or good area to go deeper into it. I hope this gives you a very high level understanding of what data visualization is and some of the tool I used or the name of the tools I took. For example, Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, all those are data visualization tools. If you have any question, please post it in the community on mycodemode.us and you would get an answer. Please take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Happy learning.